Hi, I'm Katsekin, a financial planner. If you want to buy a house in Japan, study Japanese housing environment. In January, the Real Estate Economic Research Institute announced the 2020 metropolitan area condominium price. The metropolitan area refers to Tokyo, Saitama, Chiba, and Kanagawa prefectures. According to the report, the average of newly built condominiums sold was 60.84 million yen, the second highest level in the past after 61.23 million yen in 1990. By the way, 1990 is the period called the bubble period in Japan. Why are real estate prices so high last year? When many people were able to lower their salaries or dismiss the company due to the coronavirus. Even now, the momentum of the coronavirus does not seem to subside. But the real estate prices are still rising. Today, I would like to explain why the real estate price in Tokyo continue to rise as many people are dismissed from the company. Originally, the reason why real estate price in Tokyo rose during the bubble era is that condominiums of 100 million yen or more were built in prime location in Tokyo. And last year, there aren't many condominiums built in Tokyo that cost more than 100 million yen. Have a look at this. In 1990, 3,079 condominiums worth 100 million yen or more were built. But in 2020, only 1,823 were built. So why are condominium prices in Tokyo rising? To explain the movement of real estate over the past year, it looks like this. This is the center of Tokyo. Real estate prices have been high in this area for some time. In 2020, the number of people who did not go to the company due to the coronavirus increased. So it was said that real estate in the suburbs of Saitama, Chiba, and Kanagawa will become popular. However, many people think that the effect of the coronavirus are limited, and the popularity of real estate in Tokyo has not declined, and real estate in the suburbs did not get popular either. The popularity of condominium in central Tokyo was concentrated, and property price continued to rise. However, many people said that the price of condominium in central Tokyo was too high to buy. So more people are buying condominium in areas that are slightly suburb from the central Tokyo. For example, this is Minami Sunamachi, Kita Senju, Oji. Many condominiums built a little away from the station sold well. Condominium prices in central Tokyo has always been high. People gathered at the real estate in Tokyo, which went to the suburb a little from there, and the real estate price went up. The reason for the further rise in real estate price is that the number of newly built condominiums sold in Tokyo was low. Sales in the Tokyo metropolitan area in 2020 were 27,228, which is 4,000 less than 2019. In other words, real estate price rose in 2020 not because very expensive properties in the city center were put up for sale. Real estate price has risen not only in central Tokyo, but because real estate throughout Tokyo has become popular. Few years ago, property in the city center were expensive, and the property outside city center could be bought at a low price. But the reason is that the coronavirus has made it possible to sell properties outside of the city center. In addition, real estate prices in Tokyo are rising partly because investors have bought stocks, gold, Bitcoin, and real estate due to global monetary easing. Real estate prices are rising in cities around the world, including New York, London, Hawaii, Sydney, and Hong Kong. Compared to those cities, real estate in Tokyo has not yet risen. Therefore, investors are buying cheap real estate in Tokyo, and the movement of those investors can be said to be one of the reasons why real estate prices in Tokyo are rising.